Alright, hello and happy Thursday. Once again, we are here for Make It at Home. You can pick up your sliding bead bracelet kit in the Yaz while supplies last. Here is the finished product. And the reason it's called a sliding bead bracelet is because once you put it on, you can slide the beads from one end of the bracelet to the other. So these are good if you're feeling anxious or just like to have something to do with your fingers. But they're also just colorful and cute. And they have a magnetic clasp, so you can take them on and off on your own. Very handy. So in your kit, you will find different colors of bracelet cords, 30 pony beads, and the fastener pieces. So take a look at the ones that are available in the Yaz. They will each have different colored thread and different colored beads. So pick the one that stands out to you the most. And to get started, you're going to pick a thread, pick a cord color. I'm going to go with this blue that's wrapped in with the green. And it's about 30 inches long. Let me zoom out some. And what you want to do is take it and fold it in half. So put the two loose ends together and find the center. And then you're going to make a knot down here. So wrap it around your finger and then tuck it under and pull tight. And the loop doesn't have to be this big, but it's fine if it is. If you want to make it a little smaller, just tie another knot. To shorten it. And then you take some tape, or you can use a clipboard or a safety pin, and tape the end down so that it doesn't move while you're adding the beads. And you'll then have a left thread and a right thread. Now, the sample bracelet has 9 beads on it. You can add more or less, it's up to you. There are 30 provided to you of different colors. So you can plan it out, or you can totally wing it. It's up to you. But the first thing what you need to do rather is take a bead. So I will start with the black one. And you're going to take the left thread and put it through. And then you're going to take the right thread and put it through in the opposite direction. So you'll end up with a crossed thread. And you pull it tight until it reaches this knot. And then you add another bead. So we'll do this blue. So again, left thread in, right thread in. And the holes are big enough that you don't need a needle. So these are fun, kind of fidgety bracelets. You obviously don't have to fidget with them, so if you want to fill it completely so that you can't side it, you can do that as well. But that was part of the appeal for me, was having something on my wrist that I could fidget with without being disruptive. You have enough beads and thread that you could make another bracelet with leftovers, but you do only have one set of the fastener pieces, so you can just tie it to your wrist if you want, or you can purchase more fasteners on your own. The ones that I got were just from Walmart in the craft section. But the magnet clasps are nice because you can, like I said, remove it and put it on by yourself. So we're at 5 beads, so I'm going to reverse the order here. Oops. Because I like the symmetry, you don't have to have symmetry. Again, as I always say, it's up to you guys, it's your project to do with what you like. This is just an example to show you how to do it. And one more black bead. So now I've got all the beads on here. What you're going to do is remove the tape so that it's loose. And I'm going to go ahead and add half of the clasp mechanism here. So you've got 2 jump rings and then the 2 ends of the metal magnetic piece. So to use your jump ring, you want to just pry it open, and you can do this with just your fingers, or if you have jewelry pliers you can use those as well, but you just want to open it enough to be able to loop it through that first loop that you made from the center, and then also to put 1/2 of the magnetic clasp on. And pinch it tight. So again, if your fingers aren't strong enough, you might want to use pliers. But the goal is to get the 2 pieces lined up so it closes. Sorry, it's not focusing. So it closes that loop. Okay, and then you're going to drape the bracelet over your wrist, and you're going to make a knot about where you want it to close. So here's good for me, and again you're just going to loop it around your finger and pull the end through. Or completely mess it up. Okay, loop it around your finger and pull the end through. And go ahead and double check the length on that since I lost it. You want it to be loose, but not too loose. I think that'll be good, actually. And then go ahead and put your other jump ring. We're going to open it. And tie another loop after that knot to put the jump ring through. So instead of pulling it tight, you want to leave a little bit of space. and then insert that ring. Now, if you're not using the metal pieces, you can just tie it to your wrist and you're going to cut off the excess. But you need to make sure that you have the stopping point knot before you cut off the excess and tie it, because this is what's going to prevent the beads from sliding off the bracelet. Alright, so I'm going to tighten that. And we'll do one more knot. Okay, and then again, make sure the jump ring is open to put the other magnetic clasp piece on, and then tighten it. Okay, so this part can be cut off with scissors. And if you want to secure the ends even more, you can put a little bit of glue or even clear nail polish just to keep that knot knotted. And then you are ready to put it on. Yeah, that one fits much better. And start sliding those beads if you want. So they just slide back and forth. All around your wrist. Or you can keep them centered and just wear it. All right, so kits are available in the ads. Make sure you pick yours up while supplies last. Thanks for watching. Happy Thursday.